13
नहीं,
we
हमने क्वेश्चन 30।
okay, question number 13, read this question.
12 glass blowers can make 12 identical vases in 9 minutes. Assuming that all the glass blowers work at the same rate, how long will it take 8 glass blowers to make 32 such vases?
So three variables, and that is glass blowers, vases, and minutes or times. Okay, so 12 glass blowers, you will write 12 over here. 12 identical vases in 9 minutes. Assuming that all the glass blowers work at the same rate, how long will it take 8 glass blowers? So I will write 8 over here to make 32 such vases. So we need to find the time. Okay, assuming that all the glass blowers work at the same rate. Okay, so for this condition what we will do, हम इस तरह कर लेते हैं कि मिनट्स को सेम रख लेते हैं, because it is given to us that assuming that all the glass blowers work at the same rate. So here I will write 9. Okay, for this condition. So this is constant. Now time is constant. I will need to find the relation between glass blowers and vases. So what do you think? If you increase the number of glass blowers, then if you have a constant time, okay, like time is constant. So if you increase the number of glass blowers, then it will make more vases or less vases.
More?
Yeah, it will make more vases. Okay, so there is a direct relation between glass blowers and vases. Okay, so I want to bring one over here. So what I will do?
You have to divide 12 by 12.
Yeah, so I will divide it 12 by 12, so that will be equal to 1. What I will do over here?
Multiply 12 by 12.
Multiply 12. Because it is direct relation, direct proportion. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that is in inverse proportion. तो direct में हमने same करना है. Okay, here I have 8. Okay, so I will multiply this one by 8, so I will get 8. So 8 will come over here. Now same you will also do it over here. 1 times 8. So that will be equal to 8. So now you have 8, 9 and this 8. Okay. Acha, now for the second stage, this will remain constant. Okay, look at this. This is constant. Okay, 8 is present over here and same 8 is also present over here. Now I will solve these two. So for that you need to find the relation between vases and minute. So if you increase the number of vases, then the time taken will get increase or decrease if you have constant glass blowers.
Increase.
Increase. So if you increase the number of vases, then the time taken will get increase. So 8 के साथ मैं क्या multiply कर लूँ so that I will get 32.
4.
Yes, if you multiply 8 by 4, so you will get 32. Same you will also do over here. So you will get 36 over here. Okay, so So if you have 8 glass blowers and you want to make 32 vases, then it will take 36 minutes. Okay, so this will be your final answer. You can check your answer.
A consignment of fodder can feed 1,000 sheep for 20 days. Assuming that all the sheep consume the fodder at the same rate, how many consignments of fodder are needed to feed 550 sheep for 400 days?
Okay. Question number 14. Okay, so we have three variables: sheep, days, and time. Okay, so we have 1000 sheep, we have 20 days. So a consignment of food can also sorry, this is not days, this is consignments. Okay, a consignment, so this is 1, and time is 20 days. Okay, now for 550 sheep this is unknown, and this is 400 days. Okay, acha, assuming that all the sheep consume this food at the same rate. Okay, how many consignment of food? Okay, so what we will do, this is unknown, so we will get this constant. Okay, for this you will keep it as constant. Now you need to find the relation between sheep and time. So if you have constant consignments and if you increase the number of sheep, then the time taken will get increase or decrease, then the number of days will get decrease. Okay, जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएंगे, जो उनका वो चारा होता है वो जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. So this will get decrease. Okay, chara means food of the animal. So this is if you increase this will get decreased, so there is an inverse relation. Okay, so this is 1000 and I want to bring 1 over here. So what I will do, I will divide it by 1000, but we will multiply this by 1000 because there is an inverse relation. So here you will get 1, here you will get. Okay, now I want to bring 550 over here, so I will multiply it by 550. Same, I will divide it by 550. Okay, so this will be equal to 550 and this will be equal to 2000 divided by 550. Okay, now for the second stage this will remain constant. Okay, 550 550, this is 1, this is u, this is 2000 divided by 550, this is 400. Now after this you need to find the relation between consignments and time. If you have constant sheep and if you increase the number of consignments, then the number of days will get increase or decrease.
Decrease.
You have constant sheep.
Oh, increase.
Sheep आपके constant हैं, let's say 3. If you increase the number of consignments, then the number of days obviously will get increase. Okay, ज़्यादा दिन हो जाएंगे. Okay, So there is a, if you increase this, then this will also get increased. So there is a direct relation between consignments and time. Okay, so this is 2000 divided by 550, and I want to bring 400 over here. So I will divide it by 2000 divided by 400. So I will get 1 over here. 2000 20,000 divided by 550 divided by 20,550. Same I will also do over here. 1 divided by 20,000 और 550. ओके, डायरेक्ट रिलेशन है, सो सेम मैंने बोथ साइड पे करना है. सो this will cancel out by this one, so you will get 1 over here. Okay, and here you will get 550 divided by 2000, 20,000. Okay, now I want to bring 400 over here, so what you will do, you will multiply it by 400. So same you will also multiply it by 400. So from this you will get 400. Okay, and you will solve this, so you will get the u. So 550 divided by these 2 0 will cancel away these 2, this 0 will cancel away this 0. 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 1 is 5, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 1 is 4. So 11 will be your final answer. If you have 550 sheep and you have 400 days, then the number of consignments of food that you will need, the number of consignments of fooders that are needed to you, that will be 11. Okay,
Tap A takes 6 minutes to fill a tank, and tap B takes 9 minutes to fill the same tank. Pipe C can empty the tank in 15 minutes. How long will it take to fill up the tank if the pipe is in use when both taps are turned on?
इसको हम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट मेथड से करेंगे. ओके, ये जो अभी तक हम मेथड्स आ रहे हैं, वो एक्चुअली इसमें कोई वेरिएबल्स उन्होंने हमें गिवन नहीं है. ओके, तो इसमें हम थोड़ा सा वो डिफरेंट मेथड यूज़ करेंगे. सो हमारे पास लेट्स से फुल टैंक, let's say we need to find how long will it take to fill up the tank if the pipe is in. So let's say t is the time which we will need to find this. T is the time required to fill the tank in minutes. सही है, तो हम we need to find time. Okay, and let's full tank जो है that's equal to 1. Okay, let's say that's equal to 1. Okay, so if you want to fill up this tank, okay, if you want to fill up this tank and this tap is on, okay, so in 1 minute it will fill up, it will fill how much, like 1 minute में ये कितना टैंक को fill up करेगी, that will be equal to t divided by 6. Like t is the time required to fill up the, like t is the time required to fill the tank in 1 minute. T is the time required to fill the tank. So in 6 minutes, let's say this is 10. Okay, this is 10 minutes. Yeah, this is 100 minutes. Okay, so if this is 100, then it means that out of 100 minutes, 6 minutes will take by this tank, okay, 9 minutes will take by this tank, and 15 minutes will take by this tank, okay. So that will be 100 out of 6, so this will be T out of 6 plus, this is for tab A. For tab B this will be T out of 9, okay, T divided by 9, and this is filling, और यहाँ से जो हमारे पास पाइप सी है वहाँ से ड्रेन आउट हो रहा है वाटर, सो इसको मैं माइनस नेगेटिव साइन के साथ लिख लूँगा, T डिवाइड बाय 15 मिनट्स हो जाएंगे. सो नाउ फ्रॉम दिस आई विल नीड टू, दैट्स इक्वल टू 1, ओके. सो दिस इज द टाइम required to fill up this tank if tap A is on, tap B is on, and pipe C is on. So you will need to find time, so that will be equal to, you will take LCM. So इसका LCM आपने लेने 6, 9 and 15. सो 90 इसका एलसीएम आ जाएगा. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 90 ओवर हियर, सिंपल वो मैथमेटिक्स है, ओके. तो इसी तरह ये आपने सॉल्व करने 6 टाइम 1 6, 6 टाइम 1 6, 5, सो 15t आ जाएगा इससे, प्लस 10t आ जाएगा, माइनस 90 डिवाइड बाय 15 से क्या आएगा, दैट्स इक्वल टू 6, सो इससे 60 आ जाएगा, दैट्स इक्वल टू 1. सो 10 प्लस 15 इज 25, 25 माइनस 6 इज 19t. So your time will be equal to 1 divided by 90. So this will be the final answer.